Okay, I'm at Fairfield Auto Mart and Tires, used tires. Now, they got a nice '07 Cadillac here, and I'm gonna do the headlights to make sure that this Cadillac sells real well. No problem. When you got good, pretty headlights, it makes it sell a whole lot better. Okay, now this is just one of my auto places that I'm dealing with, so here we go. All right, so took about 5 minutes to go ahead and do our little cleaning. Our little products right here, what takes care of that. Okay, so they're ready to wipe off. Then we'll put another protective coating back on it. It's gonna make this Cadillac look a whole lot better. I guess I'll go ahead and spray this one so you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay. And we're done. All right, we're over here at the other one. Let's see if we can wipe it off and get it done. Go to the house. I basically got 3 cars at this car lot in less than an hour. So here we go on this one. A little windy. There we go. So now that price makes a whole lot more sense. Okay. Thank you for your time. And we'll be talking with you soon. This is Gary with Nelson's Lite-Brite.